Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. जो हमारी agriculture optional answer writing practice series चल रही है उसके next question को आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं. And today's question is what are the different types of noxious weeds? Describe with suitable examples and enumerate the measures to prevent noxious weed entry in the country. सो द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग कि नॉक्सियस वीड के कितने टाइप्स होते हैं उनको एग्जांपल के साथ हमें एक्सप्लेन करना है एंड हाउ कैन वी प्रिवेंट द नॉक्सियस वीड एंट्री इनटू अ कंट्री. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन दैट वाज आस्क्ड इन द एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल पेपर ऑफ इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन दैट इज यूपीएससी आईएफएस एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ 2022 एंड दे आस्क क्वेश्चंस अबाउट वीड्स प्रीवियसली. आई थिंक एक बार उन्होंने नॉक्सियस वीड्स को लेकर पूछा हुआ था. So you must know how to approach these types of answer. So let's see how we tackle this question and how we approach the answer. So first of all, you should know what noxious weeds are. So the noxious weeds are the most aggressive of the weeds. Most aggressive weeds. काफी aggressive होते हैं. Very difficult to control. Very difficult to manage or control once they establish. इनको मैनेज करना कंट्रोल करना काफी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है once they establish. Grow very quickly. Grow very quickly is they can establish themselves in very adverse conditions. जहाँ पे आपके normal crop when normal crops are not able to withstand these noxious weeds can be growing in those adverse conditions also, and they very well adapt to environments. So that is why they are very aggressive weeds and very problematic weeds because of their aggressive nature, difficulty to manage them, and their quickly taking away the landscapes. तो काफी ये दिक्कत भरे वीड्स हैं, काफी एग्रेसिव होते हैं, डिफिकल्ट होता है इनको मैनेज करना, काफी जल्दी ग्रो करते हैं, काफी जल्दी रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं. दे आल्सो रिप्रोड्यूस वेरी क्विकली. यहाँ तक कि ऐसा मेनी टाइम्स इट हैज बीन सीन दैट दिस कैन सर्वाइव फायर्स आल्सो. अगर आप उसको आग भी लगा दो पूरे एरिया को, आफ्टर स्टिल द फायर इज गॉन, यू विल सी दीज वीड्स कमिंग आउट. So after many times also, after 1 to 3 years also they can be growing. So they are the very difficult weeds to control. That is why the question is about them. So now let's see what are the types of noxious weeds. So first of all we have invasive noxious weeds. These are the non-native weeds. Non-native, that is they come from some exotic environments, exotic country. ठीक है, नेटिव नहीं होते, कहीं बाहर से आकर के दे कम फ्रॉम सम एक्सोटिक एनवायरनमेंट्स एंड एस्टेब्लिश टू आवर एनवायरनमेंट्स. तो कहीं बाहर से आके एस्टेब्लिश कर जाते हैं. सो दीज आर द इन्वेसिव नॉक्सियस वीड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव जापानीज नॉटवीड, वी हैव लैंटना कमारा. Once Lantana Camara was brought to India as a decorative purpose. I don't know what the persons has seen the decorative features of Lantana Camara. I don't know, because it is not that much decorative, but still it was brought to India as decorative purposes, and now it has spread in many areas. In fact, it has taken control of many national parks. In many national parks, it is destroying the habitats of animals. It is just encroaching the natural plants. So this is one of the very common, these two are very common noxious weeds. Secondly, we have aggressive grasses. Aggressive grasses, they dominate the landscape very nicely, ठीक है, and they crowd out plants, dominate landscapes and encroach upon the local plants. Encroach on plants, that is crowd out plants. That जो भी हमारे crowd है, जो native plants है, उसको वो वहां से de-establish कर देती है और खुद establish हो जाती है. These are very aggressive. For example, we have Johnson grass, we have cheat grass. So these are the common examples of aggressive grasses. Then we have broadleaf noxious weeds. They are generally known for their highly competitive nature. They highly compete with our crops. Highly competitive with क्रॉप्स, काफी ज्यादा ये कम्पीट करते हैं जो भी हमारे क्रॉप्स हैं और उनका स्टेब्लिश, ये तो जल्दी स्टेब्लिश होते हैं, पर क्रॉप्स को कम्पीट करके उनका ये काफी बार देखा जाता है क्रॉप्स आर नॉट एबल टू सर्वाइव विद देम, मेनी टाइम्स क्रॉप लूज देयर यील्ड्स. सो दिस इज अबाउट broadleaf noxious weed. Example, common ragweed, it is a broadleaf noxious weed. Then we have aquatic noxious weed, those noxious weeds which grow in water bodies. These grow in water bodies, they clog water bodies, they grow very rapidly that even the normal fishes and etc. other things, other organisms of water body are not able to survive due to their aggressive nature of these aquatic noxious weeds. For example, we all know about water hyacinth. This is one of the most common aquatic noxious weeds. So these are the types of noxious weed. These are the 4 important types. I hope you understand. Invasive ones, aggressive grasses, broadleaf ones, and the aquatic ones. Now let's see how we can prevent the entry of noxious weed to the country. First of all, we can do border inspections. Border inspections, especially when someone is coming from other current countries, we need to check them properly. We need to quarantine them, or if you don't want to quarantine them, we need to properly clean them up so that the weed seeds and other things do not mistakenly come into our country. Regulatory controls we have to do. We have to follow all the phytosanitary and sanitary guidelines. Phytosanitary and sanitary guidelines. We need to apply quarantine procedures if we are importing some plants or some varieties or some grains from other countries. So we need to quarantine them so that if by mistake the weeds, the seeds of the weeds or the plants of the weeds has come through our imports, they could have been through the quarantine measures they could have been destroyed. So quarantine we can do. Public awareness and education is very important. Many times by mistake, mistakenly people who go to foreign destinations bring with them the noxious weeds. काफी बार हमें पता नहीं चलता है. Sometimes we bring some flowers or something from foreign countries and mistakenly they become noxious weeds to our country. So public awareness and education is very important so that the mistakenly bringing of noxious weeds can be prevented. Biosecurity measures needs to be prevented, especially at the transit points where export imports takes place. Very important. Research and monitoring needs to be done. We need to keep finding the ways to control these weeds through research. We need to monitor because only you can control these weeds in early stages. Whenever they are establishing in early stages, through monitoring we can find them and control them. But once they establish, they are very difficult to control once they establish. So we have to keep monitoring our areas which are more susceptible to the establishment of these noxious weeds so that we can control them in the early stages. International cooperation is very important. Sometimes a good plant of our country can become the noxious weed of other country. A good plant, a decorative plant of other country can become noxious weed in our country. So international cooperation is very important so that we can do research and other findings internationally, and through international cooperation we can highly apply the phytosanitary and sanitary measures preventing the entry of these noxious weeds. So cooperation is also important. So these are the ways through which we can control the entry of noxious weeds to our country, to any country. So that is all for today. I hope you are able to understand these points. जो भी points मैंने बताया आपको आज वो आप अच्छे से समझ पाए होंगे. So that is all for today. Please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. So if you like, share, subscribe, it helps us, it motivates us to make more such videos for you on regular basis. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.